Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Sutek, and it's 12:38 p.m. on Tuesday. And guys, we had a big day today. We had a hearing, an SEC hearing, where Jay Clayton, the chairman of the SEC, spoke about cryptocurrencies and the role that the SEC has in protecting the public from scams, crypto scams, and things of that nature. And it went well. I don't want to say it was great, but it was good news. So, in a nutshell, ICOs are subject to SEC regulation, and that's why the KYC, the AMLA, and all that stuff for most of the ICOs now. And once the ICO is over and the coin goes to an exchange, exchanges are basically out of the jurisdiction of the SEC, and basically you're on your own, and you have to be aware of the manipulation that's possible on these exchanges because of the low amount of volume they have, and also news and things like that can send the prices up or down a lot. So be aware of manipulation in the market. And also that scammers, scam ICOs, they will be prosecuted. But once everything's on an exchange, you're pretty much free to do as you wish. Now that's great news. And I hope that the legislation that a number of senators have written to declassify tokens as ICOs, I hope that goes through soon. Because then, if that happens, the United States will be the safest place, in my opinion, to trade cryptocurrencies, or one of the safest. Of course, they have countries that are tax-free, things of that nature, and totally unregulated. But we don't know how those countries will respond in the near future. All right, we don't know how they're going to react in the coming year or so. So at least in the United States, you kind of know where they stand, and you can react accordingly, and just deal with the hand that you're dealt, which is not a bad hand at all. So that's kind of good news. Now, I want to talk about this article real quick. Let me see. Bitcoin crash to zero, says Nouriel Roubini. This is another FUD article, the kind of article that I was talking about yesterday. All right, Dr. Doom, aka Roubini, said that wash trading is propping up Bitcoin's price, and it should go down to zero. Now, he's known for pessimistic economic predictions, and he made this prediction essentially because of the hearings today that already occurred. Now that the hearings are over, and a lot of FUD is in the market right now, but it should stabilize. All right, people were nervous for this hearing, but now that the hearing's over, I think things will recover. And hopefully we find a bottom very soon. But and here he says, as expected, Bitcoin now crashes below 6,000. Now the 5K handle is reached, and the U.S. congressional hearings on crypto scams is still a day away. Hodl nuts will hold their melting Bitcoins all the way down to zero, while scammers and whales dump and run. I mean, if everyone follows, the whales and scammers, then it will go down to zero. But whales are only dumping to buy back lower. I mean, that's really what it comes down to. People are just waiting for their re-entry point. So, this is just another article that I really hate. These kind of articles I just hate. I hate these headlines because they're just meant to scare people. Not give them information, but just to scare them. And this is one man's opinion, okay? So it's not even like this is some type of consensus reached amongst everyone involved. You know what I mean? This is just one man's opinion. And it's just annoying. Anyway, I just want to talk about the promotion space I'm offering and advertisement space I'm offering. With Facebook cutting back or banning Bitcoin ads and also YouTube to a degree, the amount of opportunities to advertise are limited. And they're becoming more and more limited. So what I'm offering is targeted traffic. Everyone on my site is looking at crypto. And what I'm offering is the promotions. Okay, if you have a written promotion for an ICO or token, you get an article, and then you can promote the article link, and I'll promote the article link as well. And then also this banner ad space. All right, the header ad, banner ad is the most expensive, and then there's the sidebar ad. All right, which can be either 160 by 600 or 300 by 250. And the terms are either a week or a month. All right, if you buy the month package, it's at a significant discount. And this way you can get your ICO or your token advertised to targeted traffic, people only looking at cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. All right. So if you're interested, check that out, guys. It's at sutexcrypto.com. And anyway, that's all for now. I'll talk to you later. Peace.